Next and the last step is applying UV Screen Matte Gel which... Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya Khanna and today we'll talk about face care. One of the reasons why facial care is important is because it prevents any extreme skin conditions. These conditions can be brought on by many factors. These include harsh environment and poor diet. Facial helps in rejuvenation of skin and helps in removing wear and tear. Facials are important to keep your skin texture young, hydrated and plump. It also improves in any scarring, wrinkles on crinkles and reduces any hyperpigmentation if you have. So there are some factors that you should keep in mind before doing facial. One of them is layering. What is layering? Sometimes we did not get the expected result after facial that we are looking for. It can be because we have not used the products in proper order. So this video is about using your products in proper order to get the maximum results. This video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects beauty influencer and savvy shoppers. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be a part of my YouTube family, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing to do before facial, which is really important, is washing your face to remove any dirt, oil and other impurities. And for that I'm going to use this face wash from Lotus Herbals White Glow 3-in-1 Deep Cleansing Skin Whitening Facial Foam. And what I loved about it is made with natural ingredients, contains no harmful chemicals and it is for all skin types. It deep cleanses your skin, whitens it and also blocks melanin production that cause skin darkening. The result you have is a brighter radiant skin. It is enriched with minerals and milk enzymes and aloe vera gel. It also removes your makeup residue that cause dullness and dry skin, revealing refreshingly brighter and glowing skin. So I am washing my face and moving my hands in circular motion to make sure all the impurities are out of my face. Pat dry your face with face towel. Do not rub it harshly as your facial skin is really smoother than the other parts of your body. Now my face is clean and dry and I am going to use this massage cream from Lotus Herbals. This is infused with special microgranules which treat the skin cells and helps in generating new cells. It has cinnamon extract which nurtures the skin and balances the skin's texture with the correct moisturization level. To apply it on my face, I am taking it out with my fingers. Take a good quantity so that it can absorb in your skin really well. Be patient while you massage your face. Give your face a nice and long massage. Massaging tones facial muscles and relieves tension. Everybody is in tension these days, so this is a very good thing that you can do to yourself. It releases toxins from your skin, boosts blood circulation and improves product absorption. The more massage you do, the more blood will flow through the area, which increase collagen production, which gives a healthy and natural glow to your complexion. When you feel that your cream is getting dry, take some water on your hand and continue massaging for 15 to 20 minutes. Done with the massage now, I am cleaning it with this sponge, dipping it into the water filled in this bowl and removing the product from my face using light hands. If you don't have a sponge, you can also use face towel instead of this. It feels really nice and fresh. Now the next step is scrub, and for that I am going to take this Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Anti-Tan Whitening and Glow Scrub. Taking it out from here and applying it on my face. This is a creamy scrub that removes dead cell and boosts radiance and whitens the skin. I am taking little water on my hands and rubbing it on my face, covering all the areas of my face except the eye area. It has turmeric, strawberry and walnut extracts which is really good for your skin, and thumbs up for the natural ingredients. Scrubbing frees your skin from flakes, helps in removing dead cells, adds glow to your skin, removes acne scars, prevents ingrown hairs and also helps in making your skin smooth. Done with the scrub and I am removing it the same way I removed my massaging cream. After removing scrub, you will feel that your blackheads and whiteheads are almost gone. That will give you a relaxed and refreshed feeling. And you will love to touch your face. Pat dry using a face towel. Done with the scrub, now the next thing that I am going to use, which is the next step after scrub, is face pack. Face pack helps you to get all the benefits of the products that you have previously used, cream and scrub. It also helps in getting rid of dark spots and acne and even out your skin tone as well. It diminishes fine lines, gives you an even skin tone and firmer skin. And for my face pack, I'm going to use this face pack from Khadi India. You can see how much I've used this. It is almost empty. This face pack is a combination of Chandra Kesan and Haldi effectively exfoliates dead skin cells from the skin's surface. It fights tanning, fades dark circles and blemishes. The best thing again is that it has natural ingredients, so let's apply it. Taking it out and applying all over my face except the eye area. It smells amazing. I hope you can smell it too. Let it dry. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Till then you can give yourself a nice performance. Use your phone. Listen to your favorite song. Have your favorite snacks. Give water to the plants. It is still wet and don't talk while this mask is on your face. And remove it when it gets dry. It does not matter if your skincare routine is of 10 steps or 4 steps. In what order you are using your products is actually more important. Apply product with thinner texture first because these products absorbs in your skin really quickly like I did in this video. I have new skin on my face right now, literally a new skin. That's the best way I can explain it. Next and the last step is applying UV Screen Matte Gel which has SPF 50. It is totally non-oily and provides a fresh and clean finish to the face, neck and hands. It protects against all form of sun damage like skin tan, sunburn, premature aging and skin cancer. Some people do ask this question sometimes that it is necessary to apply sunscreen on your skin when you are not going outside or when your skin is not exposed to sunlight. The answer to this question is yes. UVA light penetrates right through window glass, so it is definitely beneficial to apply sunscreen when you are inside. If you are sitting near a window at the work or next to a window at the gym, you are actually exposing yourself to UVA light which is responsible for skin cancer and premature aging. So I recommend you to always apply sunscreen on your face no matter if you are inside or outside. So this is my picture that I clicked before starting my facial and this is me now. Can you see the difference? This skin is more glowy, smooth and clear and I am also feeling fresh and tension free. The products I used in this video are available on Foxy. You just need to download the app and buy the products. There are lots and lots of skincare products, makeup products, hair care products, grooming items for men, for women. Just download the app and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.